lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this all nude makeup look. I used neutral and earthy tones to create this look, and it is subtle enough for work but still has that sexy flair for a night out. Now I want to preface by saying that you don't need to have the exact same products I used in this tutorial to recreate this look. You can use whatever you have in your collection that's similar. So if you want to learn how I got this step by step, just keep on watching. First, we're going to prime our eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. And we're going to apply the primer all over our eyelids and blend it in. And this will ensure that our eyeshadow and eyeliner stay on all day and all night. I'm using the Sephora Pro Dome brush in order to blend the primer in. Now we're going to take the shade WOS from the Urban Decay Naked Basics 2 palette and place it all over our lids with the Sigma E60 flat shader brush. This creamy ivory shade will set our primer and make sure that the rest of the eyeshadows blend seamlessly. Then we're going into the shade Naked 2 with the Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. We're going to place this color right above our crease as our transition shade. Keep building up that color until you achieve the desired effect. The reason why I love this palette is because all the shades have a neutral, cool tone to them, which is perfect for this nude look we're going for. Next, we're going to take the shade Faint with the Sigma E25 blending brush. This will serve as our crease color, and we're going to place it right below that transition shade we just laid down. This mid-tone brown color will give us definition in our crease and pull the look together. Finally, we're going into the shade Venus with the Sigma E60 flat shader brush. We're going to place this shade all over our lids right below that crease color. This will create the illusion of a cut crease and bring some light to our eyes. I also go back into that mid-tone brown shade that we used in our crease called Faint and blend it in a little bit more to make sure there's no harsh lines. Now we're ready to curl our eyelashes. Just take your eyelash curler and get as close as you can to your lash line without pinching yourself and pump 10 times to give you maximum curl. Now we're taking the original and micro tip versions of the Stila Stale Day liquid eyeliner in intense black to create our winged eyeliner. First, take the micro tip pen and create a sharp line from the outer corner of your eye upwards. Then draw a second line back down to your lash line to form a small triangle. Line the rest of your lash line and connect it with the wing we just created. Then take the original felt tip pen and fill in any sparse spots. Next, we're going to tightline our upper lash line with the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in Blaquer, and this will create the illusion that we have a thicker lash line. Then we're taking the Benefit Rollerlash mascara and applying it to our lashes. I usually apply 2 to 3 coats of a mascara to achieve the desired volume and length that I want. Now the key is to not let your lashes dry in between each coat, otherwise your lashes will clump together. filling in our eyebrows with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. I'm using the color medium brown. By filling in your eyebrows, it will help frame your face, so it's definitely a step worth taking. Next, we're taking the Benefit Gimme Brow to set our eyebrows. The cool thing about this brow gel is that it has hair-like fibers in it, which help make our eyebrows appear fuller. Now we're taking a nude eyeliner and applying it to our waterline. I'm using the Tarte Fake Awake pencil. The nude eyeliner will help your eyes appear larger than they really are. The last step is to apply the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara to our bottom lashes. This will provide definition and balance out the top lashes. This particular mascara is the only one I've found that never smudges under my eye. Now we're going to apply foundation to even out our skin tone. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the colored Warm Nude. And I'm using the Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush to blend it in. This foundation is great because it provides medium to full coverage and it doesn't cake up when you apply additional layers. Apply more foundation in the areas that need additional coverage, and don't forget to blend the foundation down your neck so your face matches your neck. Then we're going to set our face with a powder foundation. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in the color Medium Light Neutral. This will prolong the longevity of our foundation while keeping shine and oil at bay all day. Next, we're going to do a little bit of contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Mink. The key points to contour are the hollows of your cheeks, along both sides of your nose, on your forehead along your hairline, and on your jawline. Contouring creates shadows on your face which provide definition and has a slimming effect. Make sure you choose a contour shade that complements your skin tone and undertones. Since I have a light medium complexion with neutral undertones, I chose this contour shade because it doesn't lead too warm or too cool. I blended in my contour with the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. Then we're taking a small angled brush such as the Luxie 207 medium angle shading brush to blend in our nose contour. set the cream contour, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzing powder and blending it in with a Sephora small contour brush. This will ensure that our contour stays put all day long. Now we're going to apply a neutral blush above our contour. My favorite is the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the color Video. I'm using a small dense blush brush for maximum color payout. Next, we're going to apply some highlighter. I chose the Essence Pure Nude highlighter because I didn't want a metallic sheen, but more of a subtle glow for a neutral look. And I'm applying it with the Sigma F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter brush. I'm applying it to the tops of my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, and a little bit on my chin. Last but not least is lips. I'm using a Marc Jacobs High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss in the color Skin Deep. This is a beautiful nude lip gloss with a slight mauve undertone. Black. It's black eyeshadow. This is how not to do a no contour. Make sure your brush is clean. Make sure your blush is clean. It doesn't have black eyeshadow on it. I'm a piece of pie face. Look at these beautiful people.
Rolling.
Where's my contour powder? The Chocolate Soleil powder. Oh, it was under my butt. Like everything else.
That's what happens when she gets excited.
Gum.
Oh, that's right.
Damn it!
Check. Mike, 1. Yes, it works.
We got that. I don't know what it is. I burp in every video.
It's gotta be the cucumbers.
It's gotta be the cucumbers, man. I'm just burping up cucumbers.
I know.